Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a super natural no makeup look, and this is super quick and easy and it'll have people wondering if you're really wearing makeup. So if you want to see how to get this super easy look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, to start off this look we are going to go in with concealer. This is the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer, and we're just taking that under the eyes and on the eyelids. And I'm just going to bounce that in with a beauty blender. Now I'm going to set my under eye using the Born This Way loose powder, and I'm just going to set my under eye, nowhere else on my face, because I want it to look skin-like and dewy. Alright, just to add some color to the face, I'm going to lightly contour and bronze using the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. And we're just going to lightly apply that where I would contour and add some color back to my face. I'm also just going to contour my nose slightly using the same Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. And now I'm just taking my beauty blender and I'm going to bounce around where I put that bronzer, just so all the lines are blurred and everything looks natural. So now I'm just adding some color back to my cheeks using a very corally, peachy blush, because I think that looks the best on my skin tone. So just pick a blush that you think is very natural for your skin tone to have. And I'm just going to apply a little blush to the bridge of my nose as well, because I like that sunburnt look. Now I'm just taking the Anastasia Dip Brow in medium brown, and I'm just going to add some hair-like strokes to my eyebrows because I still want it to look very natural and feathery. Now I'm just going to use some clear brow gel and just feather the hairs upwards. Alright, the brows are done and looking really feathery, so now I'm just going back into the same bronzer on a fluffy crease brush, and I'm just going to lightly put that in my crease. Now we're just blending that under the eye as well to add some definition. Now I'm just adding a brown eyeliner into the waterline. I don't want to use black because that would be too obvious that we're wearing makeup. Alright, I just curled my lashes and now I'm going to apply some NYX Worth the Hype mascara. Alright, eyes are done, and to complete this look, I'm just taking this Too Faced Lip Injections lip gloss and applying that lightly to my lips. This gloss is clear, but it still adds a little bit of shine to your lips, so it's perfect for this natural look. Now to make sure my makeup all melts together and looks very skin-like, I'm going to take some setting spray and just set my face. Alright, and this look is complete. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out my Instagram @SophiaDoingMakeup, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.